Welcome to the Painful Budgeter. I am Payne, also known as Holly, and this is my second try at this thing. I had an unboxing and it was a beautiful thing, and my camera says, nope, I don't want you to. My phone said, nope, not going to do it. So I get to do it again, and everything's already been unboxed and stuff has been thrown away and things been put together. So apparently my phone don't like more than 15 minutes. I had to do some adjustments, so hopefully I can get this done in 15 minutes, or I'm gonna have to split it, download it, come back and refilm and do it again. And also trying to do it with the camera lens on the other side. Note to self, doesn't quite like that because I'm always cutting off half of it and it's hard to tell what's in film. So one of these days when I save up enough money for a bigger camera, sweet, or a new phone, because this is an S8, so we're gonna have to do it with the selfie thing, so at least I can see what's going on up there, and I can make sure everything's in frame, and hopefully that'll take care of it. Hopefully I don't have too much stuff showing on the sides, and this is a decent setup. All you budgeters out there who do this stuff, how long did it take you to figure out what works and what doesn't, and shooting from behind or shooting from above, or how do you set up this stuff? Because I am learning this stuff and it's frustrating sometimes. Does it get easier? Please tell me it gets easier. I really hope so. Because yeah, my first video, totally janky. I really hope it gets better. I tried to download DaVinci editing system and it does not like my computer. And I am computer illiterate, so trying to figure out where the files are and how to get them on from one thing to another, and unzipping zip drives and all that fun stuff. Yeah, I just learned how to cut and paste like a month ago. So yeah, this is all new. This is all learning experience. Any how-to YouTube things that helps you figure out how to do this stuff, please pass it forward. I would love to. I've been doing a lot of how to do this, get in the computer. It's like, what are the best editings? DaVinci is good. This one's good. Okay, cool. Now, how do I edit? This is how you edit. How do you get the editing stuff onto your computer? How to look up. Okay, got that. It still doesn't want to do it. Troubleshooting. It's 12:30 at night. My brain is fried. I can't learn new things that late at night. Yeah, I work that late at night. So yeah, it's going to be fun for this next month or so. I'm giving myself at least a month to try to get this stuff and learn how to do this stuff. I've been doing Canva, which I've been having fun with, so I'm starting to figure that out. And I just figured out how to send an email from Canva to the FedEx so I can get that printed up, and then trying to get the right size for the books or the binders, and didn't quite. I had a brand new one and I didn't measure it, so I didn't get the right one, so I had to cut that down. But it's a learning experience, and I've been having a great time learning about all this stuff when I don't want to throw my computer out the window, that is. So welcome, and I am Payne, and I'm not in pain. I'm not chronic pain. My name is Payne because my sister named me Panassus when I was a kid. We had a big CB tower in our backyard, and we talked to people all over the U.S. And so when we were picking out names, my mom was Magic Marker because she was an artist. My dad's a Push Pilot because he ends up just cleaning up after everybody. And my other sister was Gumby. I don't remember what my third sister was. And when they're trying to think up a name for me, my middle sister, because she loved me so much, she says, "You're such a big pain in my patoot. I'm going to call you Panassus," because Panassus spelled with 2 ASS's in it. So yeah, I'm a double pain in the ace. So was my trucker handle. I'm a trucker. Been doing it for about 45 years. Not 45. I'm 45. Been doing it for about 23 years. And so my CB handle is Panassus. And when I came off the road, so I could be home to help my mom, she was having problems, dementia and water on the brain. So I came off the road so we can keep her home, and had her up to her until she passed away from dementia. And I like being at home, so I'll stay at home now. But I'm still driving. I'm just doing local, back and forth, every day, back and forth. But I can be home and not have to put my shoes on when I go use the restroom. That's good. I just use slippers. So it's nice to be able to home, but still working the 50 to 60 hours a week. It's trying to learn new things. It's a lot. So please be patient with me. Anything you might want me to learn how to do, please send me the how-dos. I will try to do it. My next thing to learn is how to do links. So I don't have links in it yet, but I'm going to learn. I swear, I will. Most of the stuff here is Amazon, easy to find. I have all of these books right here. These are from Amazon. They run usually between 15 to 25, depending on who you're getting it from. I have my 100 envelope savings. I have all my, this is my weekly grocery store type of stuff, Target, grocery store, daily things. And then these are my 2 money challenges. Just got this one yesterday, very pretty. My neighbor loves butterflies, so I got that. And, you know, we're out shopping. And this, oh, I freaking love this. This is a grimoire, it's, you know, like a witch magic book type of thingy. But it's, I got it from Europe. And the lady, I got it off of Etsy. Her Etsy account is LOLEV. So it's like love, but all the words are mixed up on it. That was really, really nice. It's very, very soft. And it's got the metal thingies on it. And it's very thick. So it can actually, you know, this is for my sinking fund. So that's why I did the bigger one. I wanted an A5. And it's so beautiful inside. A little bit of a glare. My first film I did outside and the shadows were not working. And then this one I forgot I had a light right above me, so it works out a little better. But I was playing with doing all the pictures. These are actually my house. And so I just did the home, took off the things so no one would know where I'm at, unless you actually live in my town. Up here in the southwest, northwest, east, west, somewhere in the west. And then I have my this one that I made up. And this picture behind it is actually from me and my sister going camping at one of our lakes out here. She was like right here, and I cropped her out and then enlarged it and then just put some fun little stuff in there. This is just for fun money, for trying to save up for like if I go camping and that type of stuff. I'm going to be making some more. If I can figure out how to film off of my camera, I might play around with like gaming filming and stuff and figure out how to do that. So I might do Canva and do that and do a film and show some of that. And this is my Master Gardener. I don't know how well it can be seen, but that's my game Valheim and one of my builds. So I put that in there as for my yard work type of stuff when I'm saving up for next year. We do a lot of flowers around my house. It's really pretty. And this actually came with the book. This is one of the freebies the lady gave me. This is such a beautiful double-sided. I might just get some. I wish I had a Cricut or something that I can do some labeling and stuff on it. And then I haven't made up the other my wish list stuff yet for these. So I just put in some of the paper, and I'll probably do something. Do that up with just all the stuff I'm in need of yet. My next thing will be a phone because I am filming on an S9, and it's cracked to poop, and it doesn't have a lot of storage. So I might need to upgrade on that here soon. But yeah, all pretty. Got my lotto and alcohol. My partner goes down to Nevada and goes through Arizona, so about every 3 months, I get some lottery tickets just for I can keep my dreams going. One of these days, I'm going to call in rich. Yay. That would be nice, right? And some more of the other ones in my IRA. Like I said, I need to make some more pouches. These I got on Amazon. They're a little flimsy. I probably wouldn't buy them again, but they'll do for now. And I might order from Etsy, something like that. A nicer one, packages and everything. But my goal, I try not to do more than like $20 to $40 any Amazon or Etsy a week, or Hobby Lobby, because I'm trying to save my money because I have a binge spending and binge eating issues. So I'm trying to keep it done up nicely. But that's this one so far. And be working on that. It'll be a work in progress. Hopefully we can work on progress all together. And this is my setup. I have my fill the jar stuffing envelope type of things, and these are like my weekly challenges. I have the don't feed the gremlins, and that's just for not I put $2 in there every night for not eating after 9 o'clock. because like I said, I have binge eating. I've started out 310 and I'm down to 235 or so. And I kept stalling. And then I kind of was looking at where my money and where my all the other stuff, because I didn't know where any of my money was going either. And I was wondering why I keep eating. I had chronic late night munchies, and I keep eating all the time at night. And so when I started doing budgeting, I realized that my binge eating and my binge spending were connected. And so I started making some challenges to kind of help me motivate myself to do it. And one of my biggest things was eating at night when I get home at 12:30, because I work from like 12 or so till about midnight or 2 in the morning. And then the other ones are my just kind of habits I'm trying to break. So these are like just simple ones I have. The shredding and organizing pictures. I have like a couple sheds out here, and this is a multi-generational house. And so I'm trying to organize as I go and stuff. And so 50 cents for a bag of shredding, and I've done like 15 bags so far. I'm gonna be working on the pictures next. Laundry, I have no problem doing laundry. It's just putting it away and folding it. It could lay on my dryer for like a week, and that's where my rabbit is. So my folk clothes end up smelling like rabbit by the end of the week. So that's one of my other goals, and that's 50 cents. Dump and DI runs. If I'm organizing and cleaning and doing closets and stuff, you're going to do dump runs. So I pay myself $1 for each of that. Oh, that reminds me. We did a dump run today. Got rid of an old mattress and some other stuff. And then extra cleaning and organizing. That's $2 because it usually takes an hour to 3 hours. You start doing one project and then, oh, that needs to be done. Well, I had to clean that out. Now that's ugly. I got to do that. So, it kind of ends up being an all-day project. So I'm going to give myself $2 for that. And then 50 cents for daily dishes. I know this is like stuff you give your kids to do, but I'm single. And sometimes I need to motivate myself just to get this stuff done so my house doesn't turn into a hoarder's house. Because I'm also ADHD and I have piles everywhere. It's helped me a lot being a trucker because I have to condense and get stuff smaller. But when I came home, everything starts to spread out now. And so I'm trying to get back into the minimalist type of stuff because I like that. And so dishes, yeah, when I'd eat out, I would overeat and binge and stuff. I'd end up having more trash but less dishes. And now that I'm eating at home and doing like pantry challenges and getting rid of the stuff, eating from my house, I have a heck of a lot more dishes and less trash. And so that's one of my challenges, doing that daily. And that is my setup. And I'm going to try to keep these under 15 minutes at a time. I might have to separate them and then put them on the computer and then delete it off of this one and do a second section. Or else my phone will start yelling at me and it'll say, you have no more storage. I need to update. But that's future Holly problems. So thank you. And I will probably cut it for here, download it, and then I'll come back and do some stuffing. Try to get a couple of these in today. And I'm just barely started my channel. I have a 1-up, and that one was janky. But you got to learn somewhere. So hopefully you'll stay with me, and we'll all learn together. And hopefully you can learn something from me, and I know I'm going to learn something from you. So thank you again. Sending out all my love to all my fools out there, because I know I have been a fool when it comes to budgeting and just life in general. So love to all you fools. I will see you on the next one.